4 functions in one helmet. Tool-free quick conversion. Base model TDM-2F. Hard hat with clear visor, with flip-up welding shell. Flip up the cover to check weld spots via clear visor. Put the shell down for full eye protection while welding. Remove the welding shell. Variant Model 1, TDM-2 hard hat, with clear visor for grinding. Remove the clear lens. The headgear works as separate hard hat. This is Variant Model 2. Reattach the welding shell. This is Variant Model 3. The hard hat, combined with welding visor, can be used solely for welding operations. Video for demonstration purposes only. Read and follow all user instructions.